Hey guys, day 6 of my Friandise special and it's time for some tartelettes. After showing you how to make the perfect tartelette base, we're filling them with a Muscovado flan and some poached peaches. So, let's begin. First we're going to make the poached peaches. Cut 6 peaches in half around the pit and twist them to open them up. I use these beautiful red peaches, but you can use any kind you like. Both yellow and white are delicious. Then remove the pit. Now pour 300 grams of water into a pan and also add 300 grams of prosecco, 100 grams of ginger syrup, 200 grams of sugar, 2 sprigs of tarragon, half an empty vanilla pot and 5 cardamom pods. Bring this to a simmer. Once it's simmering, turn down the heat and add the peaches. Now cover it with a piece of parchment paper and then let them poach for around 10 to 15 minutes. If the peaches are not fully ripened, they might need longer. The parchment paper will ensure a more even cooking. Then gently remove the peaches from the liquid and let them cool down completely in your fridge. Don't throw the liquid away, it's great for other recipes. I love making a delicious granité with it. Now for the Muscovado sugar filling. Transfer 60 grams of Muscovado sugar in a pan and melt it on a low heat. This is going to take some time, so you need to be patient. Once all the sugar is melted, while stirring, add 350 grams of cream. Then cut half a vanilla pod in half and scrape out the seeds. Add both the seeds and the empty vanilla pod to the pan. Also add 2 grams of salt and while stirring, bring this to a boil. Now pour 100 grams of egg yolk into a bowl and while stirring, add the hot Muscovado liquid. Make sure it's a smooth mixture. Then cover it and keep it in your fridge for later. Now the tartelettes. First, blend 60 grams of macadamia nuts and 80 grams of icing sugar into a fine powder. You can use any kind of nuts you like. Then transfer 180 grams of flour into a bowl and also add 3 grams of salt, the powder that we just made, 110 grams of butter and 30 grams of beaten egg. Now mix it well and then knead it into a soft, even dough. Then cover the dough and let it rest for at least 2 hours in your fridge. After that, dust some flour in your worktop and roll out the dough till it's around 2 to 3 millimeters thin. If needed, dust some more flour on the dough in between. Now cut it with a big round cutter. Then place the dough circles on some tartelette molds and press the dough in the corners. I didn't grease the molds, otherwise the dough will slide down while baking. Now use a palette knife or the back of a knife to remove any excess dough. Also use a fork to make small holes at the bottom of the tartelettes. This will prevent the dough from rising up. After that, let them cool down in your freezer for 20 minutes and then bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. While the tartelettes are baking, mix 20 grams of egg yolk with 20 grams of cream. Then take the tartelettes out of the oven and remove them from the molds. Now you can already use the tartelettes like this, but I like to brush them with the yolk and cream mixture. Then bake them for another 10 minutes. This will make them super shiny and they stay crispy when filled. Once you're happy with the color, take the tartelettes out of the oven and turn down the heat to a 130 degrees Celsius. Now give the Muscovado filling a little mix and remove the empty vanilla pot. Fill the tartelettes with the filling and then bake them for around 15 minutes. Then let them cool down completely. Meanwhile, remove the skins from the peaches. Now slice them in thin, even slices. Give them a little push before cutting the slices with a round cutter. The cutter is slightly smaller than the tartelettes. Now place the peach slices on top and they're ready to be served. You can make the tartelettes and poached peach beforehand, but I would put them together just before serving. This to prevent the tartelettes from turning soggy. Okay guys, that's it for today. Incredibly happy with the result. Obviously you can make the tartelettes with other stone fruits as well, or even other fruits. If you put some lovely strawberries on top, it still works so well. But I think with poached peach, it looks amazing. You can use normal yellow peaches or you can use nectarines or wild peaches, but I loved these lovely red peaches. And when you poach them, they become all red and you get a beautiful even color. I mean, talk about perfection. So let's have a little bite. Guys, that's so good. Lovely tartelette, beautiful texture, a bit crunchy still, The Muscovado, the flavor is incredible. And then the poached peach, I mean, that's always a winner. So, I hope to see you next time. Please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any other of my Friandise specials. And then I'll see you at the next one. Bon appetit!